Looking to take your cooking to the next level? Discover the top 5 best sous vide machines that deliver restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. Precise, powerful, and perfect every time. Let's get started. Item number 5. Experience precision cooking with the Wancle M820 Sous Vide Cooker. Powered by 1100 watts and accurate to 0.1 degrees Celsius, it offers temperature control from 25 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius with a timer up to 99 hours. Its 7/8 mean circulation ensures even cooking. This stainless steel LCD-equipped circulator locks in flavor and nutrients without added oils. Cook everything from meat and fish to eggs and vegetables perfectly every time. Ideal for home chefs and meal preppers, Wancle makes it easy to create restaurant-quality meals with minimal effort. Item number 4. Introducing the Aliexpress Sous Vide Cooker, a high-performance device with 1,800 watts power and precise temperature control from 25 degrees Celsius to 92.5 degrees Celsius. It features a clear LED display, quiet motor, 50 dB, and touch controls for easy operation. With a max capacity of 25 liters, it ensures even, constant temperature cooking for perfectly tender results. Made from food-grade stainless steel and PC, it preserves nutrients, flavor, and moisture. Safety features include low water protection, ideal for slow-cooking meats, vegetables, or seafood. Restaurant-quality meals, right at home. Item number 3. Experience precise cooking with the Aliexpress SV838 Sous Vide Cooker. Powered by a 1200-watt PTC heater and DC brushless motor for quiet, even 360 degrees water circulation. With temperature accuracy of 0.1 degrees Celsius, it maintains perfect doneness for meats, veggies, seafood, and more. The LED screen, IPX7 waterproof design, and one-hand operation make it easy and safe to use. Heats up fast with 12 liters per min flow rate, supporting up to 15-liter capacity. Become a home chef with professional results. No Wi-Fi, no fuss, just flawless cooking. Item number 2. Introducing the Inkbird ISV200.2 Wi-Fi Sous Vide Cooker, your secret to perfect home-cooked meals. With 1,000 watts of heating power, a precise temperature range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees circulation, it ensures even cooking every time. The 128x128 LCD screen makes monitoring easy, while Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control everything from your phone. It also features a 99-hour timer, temperature alarm, and water shortage protection for worry-free cooking. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, enjoy perfectly cooked food with zero hassle, right from your kitchen. Item number 1. Introducing the Dutrieu Sous Vide Cooker, a high-precision, 1,800-watt powerhouse built for perfect results. With a temperature range of 0 degrees to 99.9 degrees Celsius and accuracy of 0.1, it offers consistent cooking every time. The digital touchscreen, quiet motor, and 99-hour timer make it simple and reliable. It handles up to 20 liters of water, features low water protection, and is IPX7 waterproof. Whether you're cooking meat, vegetables, or eggs, just set it, walk away, and come back to perfectly done food. Ideal for home chefs who want restaurant-quality meals with zero stress. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.